everyone, I'm teacher Élida and today we are preparing brownie. Let's go! For this recipe, we need a few tools from your kitchen. A bowl, a scale, tablespoon, teaspoon, spatula, sieve, and a cake tin. Don't forget to butter and dust your cake tin before preparing the recipe. First of all, we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. But before mixing, we need to sift all of them. We need 1.5 cups of chocolate powder, 1 cup of wheat flour, and 1/2 cup of sugar. All the dry ingredients are here in the bowl, so now I'm going to mix all of them. Now, we are going to pour all the liquid ingredients. So we need 100 grams of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. So use your spatula to stir all of them until you get an homogeneous mixture. As I said before, you should have your cake tin buttered and dusted before putting in the oven. So pour the mixture. So the mixture is here, and now I'm going to put it in the oven for 20-25 minutes. Okay? Ask an adult to help you turn the oven on. So set it for 180 degrees. And this is the final result. Now it's your turn. Make your recipe, make your brownie, and share with us on Instagram. Bye bye!